And welcome everybody. Welcome who joined me today. This is Artem and happy Wednesday everybody. Happy Wednesday everybody. Let's see what is the marketer are doing today. So yeah, how was your trading day and evening yesterday? Let me know what you got on your trading since yesterday. Let me know what trades you got. Uh, for me personally, I didn't take any trades since yesterday. Just watching the market. Was quite busy with other things. So yeah. Currently we are sitting around 59,500 on Bitcoin, and yeah. So the market is stumble in this kind of sideways in this range 58,700 up to 58 up to 59,800 actually. So right now, looking on this chart, I'm kind of thinking we could potentially be bullish today. That is kind of possible price action for today. However, we got this resistance line, so we're going to watch for breakout or for retracement around this line. So yeah, it's kind of interesting to see. So the market has opened in the US in 10 minutes ago. So we got this little pop from 59,300 and right now pushing up to 59,550. I'm not going to rush right now. I'm going to see for some opportunities before taking any steps. So what we got on the S&P, yeah, so basically we got this resistance on the 5612. So that means that okay, today opened a little bit higher than this resistance. That is a good sign. And I also noticed a very interesting stuff for over here. So if we're going to go to 4-hour time frame, you can see that we already retrace it up to almost all-time high. So the all-time highs on S&P located at 5680. So we are really close to 5680. So right now 5613, and our resistance for today, I guess, going to be 5640. So yeah. However, market is kind of trying to get back to normal volatility where it was before the August drop. So in the beginning of the August, we get this sharp drop in the Friday and Monday of uh, August 5th. So yeah, so since then we got this rebound to the upside, and yeah, it's kind of interesting to see where the market is going to land today, because once again we got this really tiny uh, tiny wedge over here, and that's potential deep over here in kind of, we kind of can get these similar shapes that we had previously on the S&P, where we got these small wedges, small dips before moving to the upside. So right now, I'm not going to be, I don't want to force any trade because we already move it to the upside really good, and this is there is a possibility that we're going to see more price action to the upside. However, there is some factors that tell me, okay, market could get some chill moment to chill. Today we got Wednesday, and Friday we're going to have a major news. This meeting, last FOMC meeting with Jerome Powell in Jackson Hole retreat. That's going to happen in the Friday, and so whole market is kind of waiting on this event, and the whole market is kind of looking forward the Friday, and so basically we could get any price action over here. They expecting rates to cut in the Friday. Sorry, not in Friday, but they expecting to tell this. So we're waiting for this one in the S&P 500. I'm going to be more. I'm going to be more relaxed on today. I don't want to get any trades in the rush over here. Let's get back to our normal chart window. So once again, we got here resistances, key level to reach 5640, and currently kind of rejecting from opening range. So we're going to update on this one. By the way, if you're watching this live stream right now, give me a favor, hit the thumbs up below this video, and make sure that you are subscribed to your channel. If you didn't subscribe yet, you have an opportunity to subscribe now and click the notification bell. Right. So thanks everybody who like it right now. And yeah, Bitcoin is kind of trying to break through 59,500 right now. We're really close to this resistance. We got yesterday really sharp drop over here, and right now this is kind of small reaccumulation from this drop. So yeah, there is a possibility that we're going to get and the movement to the upside from 59,500 up to 60,500, or even higher than that, maybe 61. I don't know for sure, but yeah, that's it. So let's take a look on Bitcoin chart on another window. I got here more long-term view on this chart, and here is the let's see daily time frame. Let's see daily time frame. So we got this daily time frame over here. I already described this chart probably yesterday, and so basically what we got yesterday, we got the attempt to break out through this resistance, and today we are really close to this resistance. So there is once again there is the opportunity to get a breakout and to get potential fix around this area. And if we're going to get this, we're going to be a little bit more free to go to the upside. That's going to be amazing for the markets. That's going to be amazing for whole crypto industry. Because once again, why not? Like we got this. So S&P is like almost fully retraced to the upside, almost really close to the all-time highs. And you know, I don't see like any strong reasons for drops. So far, we don't have any bad news. We don't have any good news. We just kind of neutral, and yeah, that's going to be a better situation for the market to move in the technical, like with the technicals. Like if we see something on the chart, we see some triangle or some pattern, we're going to use it. It's going to work most likely. And so yeah, so let's wait on this one. Let's see how it will play out. Here is building some kind of support line that could be broken in this move. So let's see how it will go. Once again, I'm not forcing the trade right now. I don't want to get any. I don't want to get in any trades in a hurry. There is no way to do this. So right now, where we at in terms of Fibonacci retracements? So right now we retrace it up to 05. And yesterday, I'm sorry, in today's early morning. So we retraced to 59, then back again to 59,000. So yeah, so we kind of bouncing around, and there is an opportunity to get 59,900 in the upcoming hours, possibly higher. So yeah, so looking forward this price action. I'm going to get something to drink, and I'm going to back in just 1 minute. So stay tuned. And we back. So I get my drinks, and meanwhile, Bitcoin is trying to attack on this support line. Let's see if we can go below 59,500. That's going to be um, really interesting. Let's see. Once again, I want to repeat this. Um, I'm really looking for this chill day because I'm not really um, looking for position at this area right now. So I'm going to patiently wait for some kind of confirmation and some kind of setup that I would like to trade. And that's basically for both markets, for S&P and for Bitcoin right now. Let's get our eyes on some other stuff on the market. Like for example, Aave make really nice move. We got um, we got this trade from 99 from 99 100 price region. We get the trade on Aave, and yeah, I hope some people from the from the private club made this move because honestly, I took a trade from 100, then I get a small another small position in 93, and I got out from 96, and then in this position from 99, I'm actually still holding a little bit. I fixed it about 50% profit on 100. That was my limit order over here, and yeah, so got some profits on this one, and yeah, this is pretty good movement from this altcoin. Um, really nice move to the upside. So I hope everybody could get this trade as well from the club. So why this trade was actually initiated? It's pretty basically that I have it really looking really nice. I do honestly I do like how it's look. Um, but we are in the resistance area, so this is 150 area that is resistance. So I'm not going to put too much risk on that because you know I definitely want to see some price actions that are going to be more interesting to hold. But right now, it's kind of really sharp move to the upside. So I don't really trust this at the moment. I don't really trust sharp moves in these markets right now. Uh, that maybe that's experience. Maybe you can say that maybe I'm a coward in this case, but I don't really trust the market right now. And even though we got some really nice bottoming shape over here, however, it could be misleading, and it can go to the downside from 150, for example, or even from 140. So we don't really know what is going to happen over here. Um, like if I'm going to say that some levels that I could expect is Fibonacci levels over here at 0.3, 0.5. So these levels are actually really good to see. Really good to see if they're going to reach, but there is no sure for that one. So be really careful with such kind of things like altcoins right now. So be really careful. I hope you can understand that one. Another altcoins that we tracked for a couple of days, it's Avax. So we got Avalanche from almost 20, almost 20 right now, trading at 23. The high was 23.5. So decent profits, about 10 to 15% on the spot market. So nothing too crazy, just a small decent trade, just to support some portfolio movements. Solana, what is happening on Solana over here? A little bit messy chart. That's probably because of the 1 hour time frame. So a little bit disappointing price action, to be honest with you. I don't really know why Solana not keeping in the pace. It's just it's just really weird that it's not going to the upside. We see Bitcoin going to the upside, even in the short term, but it's still going to the upside a little bit. We got some altcoins to pop to the upside, but Solana is barely holding. Barely holding. We lost 145, and this level was actually really good level for holding, but right now the price has just lost this level, so I don't really know if we're going to keep push to the upside. So far, I'm really neutral on Solana, and I don't really know. I don't really know if it's going to, if it's going to hodl 140s. So 140s is really key level. So once again, be really careful with altcoins right now. That's just a basic basic advice on this. And 140 on Solana is going to be a key level over here for next movement. So 140, I'm going to highlight it multiple times. So if we're going to get, pull back from 140, that's going to be that's going to be a really nice opportunity. However, if we're going to break below 140, that is going to be sucks. It's going to be sucks for the market. So be really careful. Be really careful with this one. All right, Solana. That's a quick update on Solana. Get a glimpse on the Bitcoin once again. So we kind of dropping a little bit from 59,500, lost $100 over here, and we got ourselves in this position. So we're still below the resistance. We around some conjuncture of the levels like 59,500. So you can see over here 59,500 is a Fibonacci level from the previous price movement. So this level is what we're going to track today before any price before any movements to any kind of side. Let's see if it's started to create in some kind of head and shoulders over here. we're going to see rejection from 59,500 once again, or even a little bit higher, maybe 59,550. So let's see. Going back to altcoins. Toncoin was quite an interesting to me in last period. However, it's not holding too much right now. I don't really know why. Like price action wise, it's not really strong price action to any direction. I don't like if I'm going to switch over to higher time frames. I'm not going to see any strong um like strong price patterns or whatever to support to move to the upside, but there is a chance for that. So like if the market is going to reverse from such levels, like we get over here, right? So I'm going to delete all these drawings and so like what we got over here, we got small push to the upside, right? So we potentially could have why I got this freezing. So I got some freezing over here. So we got the breakout from this area, and right now we currently kind of building similar, similar price action. However, it could break down to the downside, or it could support over almost $7. And if the price is going to be appreciated, we're going to see move to the 8.2 or something like this. So I'm going to highlight the levels like 8.2. I'm going to highlight 7.5. And I would like to highlight 7. 7 a really, really strong level over here on tone. And these levels are great to have in your chart as well. 6 in the 5.7 and like almost 5 over here. So I'm going to follow up on that. I don't really like to get in such conditions like here. Why is because we got some kind of rounding top location situation, and it's kind of it's just a example on Toncoin. However, if you're going to find examples on other assets, you're going to find that in most cases that is bearish patterns. So coin 59,500 still kind of moving around. So we got some kind of resistance over here as well. So you can see the price is kind of compressing in some weird looking triangle. And I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish on this one. I'm going to track these prices through the week, and we're going to see where it's going to go. Let's take a look on the Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is trading right now at 90, almost 800, which is kind of interesting because we almost retrace it up to the well, where is it? It's about I think it's about all 7. Yeah, it's almost all 7 retracements. Let me reverse this one. Why it's not reversed? Yep. So almost like all 7 retracement level, and so stock market is kind of back to the levels where we was in the end of July, and right now we are kind of moving around this area. It's like it's not decided to my opinion. However, we can break and reach to the 2000s. And if we're going to reach to the 2000s, that's going to be awesome for everybody. Right now we got this kind of wedgie kind of shape that is potentially might go to a deep. However, once again, what we discussed today, that the volatility is kind of back to normal. So from what we saw in the last couple of weeks, we got really crazy volatility. So you can see from mid July, we got really crazy volatility over the markets, over the stock market, and indices as well. So that's why we got this craziness since last couple of weeks. And right now we kind of get back in the same pace that we had in the through the year, basically through the year, and that should be normal and should be normal to trade in the next couple of weeks, or I don't know, maybe weeks, maybe a couple of days even. So let's see. Let's see how it's going to be. I really like this one. Let's take a look on Ethereum. So Ethereum is kind of painful to see. To say at least, it's really painful to see Ethereum in such conditions, in such price action. So we got ourselves breaking out from two 900 $3,000, and right now we are kind of in this range. We dip it to $2,000, and right now we are trading into 700 to 500 range. So, well, I don't know what you guys see over here. Let me know in the comments. Um, like I kind of see this as a as an opportunity trade. We could get a nice breakout, and we could get nice breakout to the both sides. We could get breakout to the upside, and we can get breakout to the downside. Um, I really want to like to stay on the bullish side of things. So you know, I'm going to set up it like this. I'm not trading Ethereum at the moment. It's not in my trading list, but there is a possibility that we're going to get prices to the upside. However, right now it's really undecided. It's really in the sideways. Key level over here is 2500 to 550. That's the key level for the Ethereum on the next couple of weeks. So Bitcoin. So we got over here kind of building up, trying to pressurize this area over 59,500. So, I mean, why not? So, once again, I'm just looking right now, really waiting for some kind of setup, for some kind of good confirmation trade. Right now, pretty much nothing. That is sideways. We got market open, not too hot, not too hot to say at least. We got market open on S&P, not too hot as well. So not really hot day for today. So it's kind of chilling over here. Kind of chilling over here. I hope you guys chilling as well. So let me know what is on your mind, what you're trading, what's your expectations on the market. Let me know that. So market is kind of slow today. It's kind of slow today. Um, so take a look at other coins like not coin. It's kind of moving in a downward channel. We got this channel to the downside, and we got this channel to the downside. And right now it's kind of creating another one. Not really perfect, not really nice, but it is what it is. So over here, I could mention a couple of levels like 13, 11, 9s, almost 10s, right? So what is the levels right now? So we currently holding 10s, and I don't know, will it hold now? I'm not really sure. That is kind of boring price action, to be honest with you. Not something explosive or things like this. Let's take a look on the. Let's take a look on Tron. Let's take a look on Tron. Tron USD. Wow, this is actually craziness is happening on Tron. This is crazy price action. I haven't seen this for a long, long period. That is just looking. I mean, this is kind of superb. We're gonna get appreciation around Tron right now. So you can see over here we reach it 16th. And if I'm going back, like to the all-time history, the top over here was at where it was at 30s. So right now we are currently in the middle of this incredible price action to say at least. This is almost like a first time you see some kind of real uptrending market on the other coins except the Bitcoin, right? In the long term, and so we got ourselves going up from 2020 and slowly, steady, small price action, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit to the upside, and right now the Tron is so back to the highest levels in his all-time history. So that is kind of interesting. I don't want to say I see some trades here. I don't see really anyone. I don't really think there is an opportunity to take a trade. It's just a tremendously interesting price action. And first time we noticed it, the Tron we got over here at 13s. So far price moved up to the 25%. So if you're watching these live streams, you probably could take opportunity for this one, right? So let me know. Let me know if you are able to catch this one. That would be amazing. Um, so today is really slow day, and not much happening on the markets. Not really much to say. let's take a quick look over here on our coin market cap. So Bitcoin staying at the top like usual. Ethereum on the top two. This is only coins. This is not tokens. Only coins over here. So BNB at top three, moving to 5,550. Solana 140. Kind of, you can see over here that we got this price action. It was on BNB only that the price action that actually rise through the some days and stall yesterday and today. Solana going downwards. We already discussed this one. XRP once again it's around 60. Yesterday we discussed this one. We talked about, and I think that was great opportunity to take profits. So if you kind of took this opportunity on XRP and you took the profits, congratulations for you guys. So that's going to be amazing. Toncoin, we already discussed it today. It's kind of somewhere in the middle. There is a lot of buts and whys. It could go to downside or upside. Dogecoin staying around 10 cents. Quite stabilized in many ways. Tron, we just discussed it. Tron, so making new multi-months highs. So it's still not in all-time highs area. However, it's really close to its all-time highs. Pretty close. Cardano holding somehow. Avalanche, we got pretty nice trade on Avalanche since 20. Polkadot somehow moving pretty similar to the Avalanche, so they are probably in the similar price action region. Bitcoin Cash, I'm not going to even discuss this one. So what about Polygon? Polygon is around, wow, Polygon is actually moving to the upside. Maybe we can take a look over here on Polygon. I don't quite remember its price action from long term. So Matic USD. Wow, it's actually moving to the upside. That is unbelievable. That is unbelievable, to be honest with you guys. So, so basically we drop it to this region to the 33s. In 33s, you can see over here that 30s and 40s, it's actually the lows from 2021, 2022. And so far, we got ourselves to rebound into the upside, really nice rebound. We probably broke through resistance, yep. So Matic got breakout through resistance over here and created this some kind of wedge pattern. And I'm actually looking to just so if we could get this real breakout, we're going to see some fixing around these numbers. And if we're going to get this, that's going to be amazing in terms of long-term and mid-term time frames. So we got a lot of really bunch of levels over here. 05, 055, 056, 060, then 065, and then 069. So there is so many levels that actually can be reachable in the next, I don't know, 2 months, maybe a month and a half. So there is a lot of possibility to see that. And I actually want to see that movement. If we could get some kind of, some maybe small retracements over here in this 46, 47s area, then we could get another opportunity. It's just market to have a rest from this move to the outside. That's going to be a normal for the market to take a rest, and then it could get to the 50s, 55, 56, 60s, and higher and higher. So um, I'm not going to. I'm not saying that is going to be precise full price prediction, but I would like to see something like you know something like this. That is what can actually uh, what I actually expect from this one. I'm not once again. I'm not saying that that is going to be precisely like this, but the opportunities are there. So Matic is really interesting compared to many other coins around. Litecoin barely struggling over here. So it's not holding 60s. It's not holding 70s. It's almost reaches 70 on this occasion, and then slowly drop it to 62s. So near it's not really strong, but I was looking at near in the if I recall it correctly, I looked for the near in the last couple of live streams. Um, so not something that I like. Not something that I like. Definitely not something that I like. We could possibly get this pullback, but I'm not really sure this is going to be really strong. So no, this is not the altcoin that I would like to say something good about. Caspa, very interesting how it's moving actually. ICP, Aptos. So all of these kind of big coins over here. The only strong coins was Tron and Matic. Polygon was quite moving strongly. What is this? First time I see this. I Airweave. Airweave. So, so, eh, nah, this is not my type of altcoin. I don't think it's going to have big opportunities over here. I don't really think this one. Mm, that FTM. Now, interestingly, still holding around. eCash. What is this? All right. I got really low on this list, so I'm probably going to switch over to tokens. Let's take a look on tokens. So tokens are no, well, basically Tether and USDC are in the top. That's quite normal, and most of stable coins is going to be there. Chainlink kind of weak price action. Shiba Inu as well. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu from really long-term perspective and see maybe it have some opportunities, but I'm not really sure. OMG. So we kind of, trying to get back in this area. But what I think is probably going to have another painful months from over here. That is possibility that we're going to have some uh, painful periods for this type of coins. There is a possibility that we're going to get some more upward, sideways, upward, sideways, upward, sideways, something like this. That is going to get our prices to the 100s area, maybe 85s. So not so positive on this one. I'm not positive on this one. Pepicoin and OKB. So Aave moving. We discussed Aave recently. We moved to our midterm target 140s. We fixed some profits over here. I fixed 50% position on Aave. Next over here. Very, very weak price actions all over the places actually. What from IXS? Let's get and take a look on IXS as well. IXS. So IXS actually kind of bouncing around this area of 4.7. From 4 to 4.7, that is kind of interesting area over here. However, it got lower levels, but we still not broke through this 3.7. So there is an opportunity that we could get above 5. And if we get above 5, that's going to open some interesting spots like 6.1. Like see, you can see over here 6.1 over there as well. 6.1. And I don't know if we're going to get the top of the range. I'm not really sure because we already got this for a couple of times. You can see over here. So that is kind of it's not so strong. So it's probably going to be really short term mover, and that's only got this wedge. We're still below the wedge. So there isn't a lot of bots why it could go to the upside, why it could still go to the sideways. So, however, there is this area of potential diamond in this zone of 4.7 to 1.0, and that's probably going to be interesting. And once again, there is the levels like 6, there is the levels like 7. So I'm not going to try to push it to the upside. So I think 7, it's going to be around pretty safe and normal resistance level to reach. Nothing too crazy. So like for me personally, I would not. I don't want to risk too much on this one. This is just like a small trade, so could be like stop loss about 10%. So I don't risk too much if you want to trade this one. So the target is, like I said, 6. It's good target to have a 6, and the 7. It's a maximum target. So preferably to sell over a few levels like 5, 5.5, 5.3, then 5.7, 9, 5.9, and so on. So that's going to be a more interesting. There is a possibility for this trade. So you can see over here we got pretty similar price action. So we got this wedge, then we got breakout to the upside. So we got another wedge. We could potentially get another breakout to the upside. And if we get this breakout to the upside, the levels like 5.9 and 7 is really nice levels to get profits on. Right, guys, let me know if you have some questions on your mind, maybe some altcoins to check. Um, because right now I'm looking on this coin market cap, and I don't see too much. I don't see too many interesting stuff to say at least. Mm, not really something that I would like to. Maybe you guys know some interesting projects that is currently um, running or making some interesting marketing movements. Let's see what you guys see. Um, so far, altcoins and the tokens are moving in the really kind of, there is a lot of things that could go wrong with altcoins right now, and especially if we looking on the while altcoins still below this resistance line, and for those altcoins which already broke through resistance line, which already got some breakout, we still got a lot of time and a lot of levels that is potentially could be sell levels for major holders. And so far market is like is kind of still not mm, it's not fully recovered from the drop in the beginning of the August, right? So, and some of the investors, some of holders of the coins, they can potentially exit from the market just because they're still afraid of another bottoming or another price drop. So there is a lot of, I think there is a lot of fear on this in these conditions, and we have to be really really careful. So far, Bitcoin actually created this kind of shape of head and shoulders, maybe rounded top, and also it could be like it also looks like Bart head, right? I think it's kind of look like Bart head, right? For me, it's pretty similar, at least. Um, so so we kind of move it to the downside to 59 200. Um, yeah, I just got to find this. So you got this kind of uh shape of the Bart. So I hope you guys having fun with this as well. I didn't take any trade right now. Once again, I say in the beginning, I didn't have any confirmation here to take this trade or to take long or to take short. And so far, we're pushing really hard. I think something is happening, but not really sure what exactly is happening. So we're pushing downward, pushing below 59, 59 200. That is kind of interesting. Oh my god, this is kind of really really interesting. I don't know why why it's doing this one, but this is kind of interesting. So S&P also did don't want to hold or break through opening range, and we still bouncing around 5 600. So we maybe get an bearish day over here. I don't know, but it kind of looks like what we discussed it on previously, what we discussed from midterm perspective. We kind of could get some retracements over here, and and yeah, and so far the S&P is I don't know if it's going to create some kind of support line over here or it's going to be a range bound market for today. So far, I'm going to highlight only this level. And for Bitcoin, so we got bounced to the 59,100, and right now we are still around this area. So let's see what is going to have the next couple of minutes. I'm going to take a look on this, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to trade this one. Really dense area, and you can see over here in from this move that we could get a lot of fake outs on this area. So I'm going to be really careful with this one. I don't want to mess around with with unpredictable shapes or something like this. That kind of consolidation or reaccumulation could be really tricky. Sometimes it's just going sideways, making different move to the upside, to the downside, and then break into the upside. However, right now I'm just curious how it's going to move, and see. Okay, guys, I'm going to back in just 1 minute, and stay tuned for this one. I'm going back in a few minutes.
All right, all right, all right.
And we back. So let's see. Nothing happened since I left. So there is quite a dense area. We could potentially break to the downside. I don't know, not confirmed to me. If you watched yesterday live stream, we got ourselves in kind of shaky movement around 60K, and take profits from it. However, today, I'm not so sure if there is opportunity to short this market today. Not really sure if there is so much power to do this. Could be really balanced day because um, you know yesterday we got this big move to the downside. However, today it could be just a shaky day to the upside, to the downside, and yeah. So I'm probably going to make a vote over here. Let's take a look. If what do you guys think? Um, will Bitcoin stay stay above or below 59,000 today? So Yes or no? Right? So will Bitcoin stay above or below 59,000? 59,000. Where is it? 59. There is 59. So let's vote together. Let me see what you guys think. Will Bitcoin stay above or below 59,000 today? So, right. So now we are trading at 59,200. Kind of on this chart, it looks like we kind of getting some kind of breakout from this area, from this support line. So we kind of even we kind of can draw this as we almost got a retest as well. 59 is touching once again. So we got this possible breakout move to the downside to 59. Let's see how it's going to print out. S&P meanwhile holding around 615, 59.20, 59.30. Pushing move more to the downside. Pushing more to the downside. 59. We got 58,900 right now. Really interesting move. Once again, I didn't want to trade this just simply because I don't have too much trust in this area. Maybe there is a good opportunity. Oh my god, we've just flushing over here. We just flushing to 59,900. We're flushing right here. 58,900 right now. I don't know, guys, if you actually could catch this move. This is kind of small flash to the downside from where we was. We was at 59,600 down to 58,800, so almost $1,000 move to the downside. Yeah, so maybe some of you guys are more risky than me, then you could potentially get this trade, but I stay away from this movement. 58,800 got small pushback to the upside. Looks like they covering the shorts over here. This is looking like this one. So it looks like they started to cover the shorts right there. And let's see. Yep, really strong pushing to 59s. So 59 kind of holding around this one. Yeah. And by the way, we got ourselves in the today fear and greed index got even lower than yesterday. Yesterday we have 30. Today we got 26. So that is kind of interesting to see. We almost almost like we got this area where we was. So all of this area of 59, $56,000, from 56 to up to 59, $600,000, all of this area, it's just completely in the fear. So all this area is completely in the fear. So right here we got extreme fear of 15, 17, and since then we don't break through 30s actually. So we almost whole of this area we stay in fear, being 30. So that is kind of interesting, and yeah. So yeah, shorts covering over here at 59, bouncing a little bit back to the upside. Retested 59 100, and yeah, let's see what kind of shape it's going to create over here, because like we got this area 58 800 up to 59 800. We could get a lot of push ups and push downs in this area, and that's going to be normal. So watching over here, and let's see, it's actually going to have some opportunities to trade this one. What I was saying in the beginning, that I was actually wanted to stay on the long side and see if we could actually break through resistance and then go to the upside. However, um, so far it's not applicable to the market, and yeah, I'm just watching on this one. I don't really want to participate in such kind of moves when it's not so confirmed to me, at least, because some days we got some really clear price actions. Like for example, yesterday we got really good triangle, and or it was day before that. I don't quite remember for sure. So sorry for this one. So we got good triangle. We traded it nicely, and yesterday we got breakout from 50, where it was 50. So it was basically breakout from $60,000. And when we got the breakout from $60,000, it was clear that we're going to go lower. Um, However, yesterday was actually tricky as well. So we got first we got 6,300 entry, then we got stop out by this move to the upside over here, and then eventually could profit on this trade. And right now we are back to 59 100. So we retested this retested this resistance line and support line, and right now it's kind of trading around 59 100. Not much to see on the market today, but we don't have any beautiful shapes or something like this. S&P, it's well, it's kind of trying to break out from opening range. Didn't move to the downside, so far so good. I also don't see too many opportunities on this market today. Um, so yeah, it's probably going to be a really chill day for this live stream. So far, S&P trading around this area. Bitcoin 59 100. Not major movements over here. Yeah, so sometimes it's kind of this kind of days when it's actually really boring on the market, and it is what it is. So this is kind of days where we got this type of price action. Looks like Bitcoin got rejection from 59,100, pushing to the downside a little bit, but it could be a small pushback. So so far, so maybe we're going to get today without the trade, or if I'm going to see more trades in the evening, I'm going to post them in our Telegram group. So far, I don't see any opportunity to take a trade on Bitcoin. Could be really potentially risky one. I don't really want to risk on this kind of price action. It's not my type of not my type of price action to rely on. So yeah, so far we got this trading session without any trades. Sometimes that there is a days like this, and that's quite a normal. So you know, it's better to have no trade than losing trade or something like this. So this market read wasn't that terrible. However, it was. I mean, the price action over here is just not what I like to trade. And once again, I hope you guys could actually profit on this one. And yeah, so stay tuned to the channel, stay tuned to my social medias, and let me know what kind of assets you want to see on the next live stream. That would be awesome to hear your thoughts, and maybe together we can find some other ways to find a really interesting and profitable trades on the market right now. So guys, thanks for watching this one. I hope we're going to get another day. And remember, Friday is going to be a interesting day. A lot of news going to come in the Friday. So possibly we get this kind of quieter days before the big movements in the Friday, or from Friday to Monday, right? So stay tuned. See you guys tomorrow in the same place, same time. So yeah, have a nice profit and have an amazing Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and see you.